Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'll cut right to the chase as the name of this video implies. I am leaving YouTube. I don't know if this is a permanent thing or if this is just temporary. It'll probably be for a while, and here's why. Ever since we had to replace all of our water systems, including our well, last summer, things have just been an uphill battle for us financially. And last week, I, out of the blue, got a job offer from the people I used to work for before I had my daughter, and it was totally a godsend. It's flexible, I get to work with the same people I have missed working with, and I get to be home and work from home, which is so important to me because number one, I'm a mom, and I don't want to look back on these years with my daughter and feel like I missed out on seeing her grow and being a part of that, because obviously you can see a kid grow, but being involved in that is totally different. So I'm going to be working part-time soon, which is a huge blessing, but in order to do that, I have to let something go. And right now, to serve my family, I need to focus on being a good mom to my daughter, and if I can, bringing in a little bit of extra income, and YouTube just has not been that. I've given it 2 years, over 2 years. I've given it a lot of work, I've given it a lot of time. I've been consistent for the most part, only taking a couple of breaks, like when I was pregnant with my daughter and when I had her. And I'm just gonna be honest, YouTube isn't that friendly to new people starting out. Granted, I've said it before, it was never about making a bunch of money. You have to do one of several things. You have to be in a niche that is super unique that people want to see. You have to basically turn your life into a brand and portray a certain lifestyle and sell that lifestyle. You have to be extremely entertaining, or you have to sexualize yourself. Or posting your kids. That is something else I have been completely unwilling to do because it's very dangerous. But all of those things can help contribute to success on YouTube, and I'm not willing to do any of them, and I'm unable to do some of them. I didn't make it on YouTube, and it's totally okay. Like I said, I just enjoyed making the content and I wanted to share it. I wanted it as memories for our kids looking back. I loved as a kid watching things from my parents when they were younger, and I thought it'd be fun for our kids to see, as well as it was very helpful for me because when I needed to do something like make homemade ginger ale, I would literally go back and watch the old video. And this has really just given me a creative outlet, and I am so grateful for you guys. It's been so much fun talking to you guys in the comment section, and actually let me know, what is your summer looking like right now? How is it going for you guys? I'm gonna miss talking to you all. It's been crazy. I remember when it was first just family and friends who had subscribed, and then when I got the first comment from someone who wasn't a part of my family, and it was just crazy, like, wow, all these people are just so sweet and so encouraging, and it was so fun to hear about how you all were doing, what projects you were working on. It was very inspiring to me, and it also helped me realize I need to be commenting on other people's videos that I watch because it's just so encouraging and so sweet. And I really never dealt with what a lot of people talk about with people being negative in the comments. That just never really happened. Maybe like twice, but even a couple of those were constructive criticism. So I just wanted to say thank you to you guys, and I'm going to miss talking to you all. I may still post occasionally on YouTube. I don't know if I can resist making like those ASMR videos, the cooking ones where I really focus on like the videography, the shots, and you know, just the overall cinematography. Those just, they kind of feed my soul. Well, not my literal soul, but you know what I mean. It just makes me feel so calmed to edit those and to film them. So we'll see. I'm not making any promises, but doing those, especially in the form of shorts, which are a lot easier to make, I hope I'll be able to make a few of those every now and again. I don't know if I'll be able to resist it, but we'll see. If I do start making videos again, I am going to focus my efforts more towards Rumble. I recently joined Rumble, and I'm telling you, if you are new to the vlogging YouTube world, I might suggest trying it over at Rumble first. You actually can pretty much instantly get monetized which is very helpful because YouTube makes you jump through so many hoops just to be able to make anything or even have the opportunity to make money. Rumble, it's a lot quicker of a process, and they are anti-cancel culture, and that can be very helpful to people like myself who believe things that let's just say aren't exactly popular with everyone. So I can feel a lot more free to express my Christian beliefs and share things with people over on Rumble versus YouTube. So check it out. I've linked it down below if you're interested. So I've linked my channel and how you can get started on Rumble. But again, we will see. My focus is on my home and working right now. The little jelly stand is up. It is so cute. Still trying to figure out how to get people to the stand because apparently coming to someone's front porch when it's screened in is creepy. I don't know. Maybe that's why. I have signs everywhere. I've made it cute. I've decorated it, but it's slow, but it's okay. I think it'll take some time, but once a few people find it, maybe it'll be better then. Speaking of working, I've also started another project. It was a big deal in the beginning, but now it's kind of leveled out and it's smaller, more manageable tasks. But that is that I started an Etsy shop. On it, I sell t-shirts like this, 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 and this. A lot of them are cottagecore or scriptural. Basically, the goal is just high quality t-shirts and sweatshirts as well. It's been a lot of fun. The goal is to eventually have more of a passive income for my family, and even my sisters have contributed. My bestseller was actually designed by my sister Annabelle. I have a couple of exclusive coupon codes for my YouTube friends. These ones I think work on top of sales, and just a little secret, I run sales all the time. So if you want to get something and use these coupons on top of the sales, that'll be the best bang for your buck. Because remember, this is Thankful Thriftiness. Gotta help you guys save some cash. So I have a couple promo codes for you guys. The promo code THANKFUL will get you 10% off your total order, and the promo code THRIFTY will get you 15% off your order of $50 or more. Also, keep in mind that there's free shipping on any orders $35 or more. So that is there if you are interested. Once again, I just want to say thank you for your encouragement, your kindness. It's been wonderful. I will miss making YouTube videos and chatting with you all so much on so many levels. I hope you have a wonderful summer and that I'll get to talk to you soon. Stay thankful and stay thrifty, my friends. Bye!